You know, Katie Porter needs to be primaried and kicked out of office. She would throw people like me under the goddamn bus and get rid of Medicare Advantage and force us into Medigap, which costs easily what Part B of Medicare costs, on top of Medicare. So, instead of paying almost $200 a month, $170 a month in Medicare premiums, Part B, I would pay another extra $200 a month. There goes my Social Security, probably more than half of it. There it goes. She's a fucking goddamn moron. I'm sorry. And when you read, now they're saying that Medicare Advantage has received a lot of money, blah, 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 blah. Well, all you have to do is tweak that. But people don't understand the difference between Medicare Advantage and Medigap Medicare Supplement. They don't understand the difference. They're all privately run. They're privately managed. Medicare, the federal government, contracts it out to private insurance companies. The same is true with Medicaid, which is run by the states. But those are handled by private insurers. The states don't handle that. The federal government doesn't handle that. They don't pay out benefits or whatever. They don't pay. They don't. It's all private insurers that handle the paperwork. And it says here, progressives have long been highly critical of MA plans which effectively insert a private middleman between healthcare providers and Medicare. Progressives are a goddamn bunch of morons if they actually believe that. Good fucking Lord. They're all privately managed. So here's the difference. For these progressives like Katie Porter, who wants to get rid of Medicare Advantage, Medigap Medicare Supplement is fee-for-service. Medicare Advantage is HMO PPO. That's it. And if you've worked in private sector work over the years, employees, like I have done, had to make a choice between a fee-for-service plan or an HMO PPO plan. And the fee-for-service usually costs more. I've always opted for the HMO PPO because I don't have medical issues where I would be worried about keeping my own doctors. Fee-for-service, you can pick any doctors you want. You're free to travel, like with Medigap. You can travel all over the place, and they'll still pay. Whereas Medicare Advantage, you have to go in-network. Otherwise, you may have to pay more or all of it out of network. Okay, that's what the difference is. But when these progressives get on their little soapbox and they want to get rid of Medicare Advantage, which millions of us depend on because we can't afford the outrageous premiums of Medigap, and we're getting more. We might have to pay more out of pocket when like surgeries and stuff. But we get vision, we get hearing, we get dental, whatever. We get more than Medigap. When they do this stuff, they need to be informed about it. Yes, whatever the problem is with Medicare Advantage, just fix the damn problem. But she's an idiot. And it makes me mad. There's so many damn idiots in the Democratic Party. She says, she's urging the Biden administration not to increase taxpayer funding for Medicare Advantage after a government report showed that the privately run program received $12 billion in overpayments, a problem driven by insurers exaggerating how sick their enrollees are. Medicare Advantage has failed to achieve savings in any year since its inception. Well, what about Medigap? That's run by private companies too. And what about Medicaid? That's run by private companies too. But Porter is a moron. Game the system and bill payments sicker. I'm leading it to reconsider dedicating even more taxpayer money. You're going to fuck over people like me, you piece of shit. You rich piece of shit. You're going to fuck me over and millions of other people over. You don't know what in the fucking hell you're talking about. I hope somebody throws that woman out of office. Get rid of her. Get rid of Katie Porter. That's it.